Hey everyone, Erica with a K here. I am about less than 24 hours out from my surgery. It is around 2:30 today and my surgery is tomorrow. I have to be at the hospital by 5:45 a.m. and my surgery is at 7:45 a.m. So in a previous video I had talked about like shaving my underarms and everything like that to prepare for surgery. I didn't do that because it said not to shave anything near the area, and I'm not sure how far in my armpits they have to go. So I didn't shave my armpits. I think I actually may have said that in the video that I'm not going to. Yeah, but I did read that if like you cut yourself shaving, you just open yourself up to an infection. And obviously you want to make sure that you're not compromised during this. I just want to get this over with. I don't feel like anxious or anything. I'm like, I want to wake up from surgery and I want to make sure I get the aesthetic flat closure that I want. I don't want any skin left. I'm not getting breast implants. I don't want anything except for what I asked for. Those are my two hang-ups, obviously waking up and that. I'm pretty sure I had in my calendar for today, like I was like, I'm gonna paint all the molding in the house, and it's like, dude, like I have so much I have to do. I was supposed to increase working out, so we've been doing that. I haven't worked out yet today. I have to shower. I want to empty out all the garbages, just like stupid stuff. I'm cleaning our sheets right now. I cleaned all of our washcloths that we use for our bidet. Those are all clean so that they're ready to go because I don't think I can shower for a while. So I'm gonna like use my bidet as an opportunity to try to clean my hoo-ha. When they called me and they gave me the time, I was like, am I staying over? And they're like, we don't know, we'll let you know tomorrow. So I don't know if I'm gonna be staying over or not. I'm not. I'm gonna like pack a little book bag. I'll probably show you guys later when I do that, but nothing crazy. I'm not gonna do anything like, I don't know. I'm just gonna do like regular stuff. Sorry, I had to burp. I want to try to stay hydrated. I'm going to drink a lot of Gatorade today, and I have to drink a lot of Gatorade tomorrow on my way to the hospital. Can't drink after 2 hours before the surgery, but they want me to drink 16 ounces of Gatorade as long as it's not red. They said any color I want as long as it's not red. I feel like I'm at a standstill. Like I feel like I'm like stuck in time because it's like tomorrow and there's like nothing I can do today to speed it up except for like keep myself busy, and I'm just trying to tie up any loose ends, do any stuff for work that's like pressing, pay any bills that have to get paid like while I'm in recovery, pay them now. Just like basic tedious stuff like that. So yeah, I'm not gonna eat today after 7 p.m. They said not to eat. They didn't say it. They said don't have to eat after midnight, but I read online that you should fast 8 to 12 hours before your surgery, and 7 p.m. tonight would be about 12 hours before my surgery. So I'm just not gonna risk it. I'm just not gonna eat. Oh, I cleaned all my sweatshirts and hoodies because that's what I'm going to probably wear. So those are all cleaned already and in my closet. I'll probably wear one there tomorrow and maybe pack another one just in case I don't wear the same thing home. I don't really know. Comfortable sweatpants, stuff like that. So that's basically it. There is no painting of the molding going on today. That's why I was very ambitious. Good morning. It's day of surgery and I just showered for the last time with boobs. And I'm going to show you the bag that I packed. I don't really have much in it, but I'll show you guys what I have. Again, no lotions, no deodorant, no nothing like that after you shower. And then I use the soap that's like for before you go into surgery. I use that. I didn't put any lotions on my face after showering. I haven't done that this whole week. And I haven't shaved anything this whole week. So let me show you my bag. Okay, so here's my bag. And then I have the mastectomy pillow in here. This is the inhaler thing that they gave me, the spirometer. I have the drain bag somewhere down there. Period underwear in case I get my period, which I don't think I will. And regular underwear. And I just have to bring like my ID and stuff like that. So we're ready to go. Bye!